So a lot of people ask about how many steps they're going to have, whether it be to their front porch or to their garage or whatnot. And the reality is that the number of steps you're going to have really depends on how the foundation is designed. So as an example, this is a very traditional bottom chord truss design where you have foundation wall, top plate, a bottom chord bear truss, subfloor, and then finished floor. And let's say this is your front door and you're walking down onto the steps. Well, the ground, the grade, has to be on the concrete wall. It can't come up on the wood. So the dirt is down here, which means we've got to go from there to there, which necessitates quite a few steps. That's why you see a lot of lots of steps in front porches of homes, because they're having to get from there to there. Now, to help make that closer to the grade and minimize the steps, you can do kind of some neat things with trusses that you can't really do with other type of floor joists. This particular is called a top chord bear truss. Notice the two top 2x4s of the truss actually come over the top and sit on top of a foundation wall with a top plate. And most of the truss hangs down underneath, kind of like you might see a bridge when you drive a car across a bridge, and most of the structure is down below. That's called a top chord bear truss. Now notice, now we can get one step from the house down to the grade, one kind of normal size step. Now we could even go a little further. This is where we can take the truss and we can sit it all the way inside of the foundation wall. And then what we'll do in this particular case is make it a bottom chord truss again. We'll put a furring wall down in the lower level or the basement, right? And a lot of times you're going to finish out the lower level anyway, so you might as well just put that wall there. Set the truss on it. Now that subfloor can go right across the top, and now we're only talking about a 3-inch step down from the front door to the porch. We always encourage a 2 to 3 inch step anyway, basically just because of snow buildup and things like that here in the Kansas City area. But there you go. There's 3 different ways to adjust your step count based upon how we design the trusses in relation to how they sit with the foundation.